You are welcome in the class of physical education for class 12th, unit 4 physical education and sport for CWSM. Today we will carry on the topic disability, and under that we will focus today the cognitive or learning disability, which is the part of the sensory impairment or disability. In the cognitive or learning disability, we have to discuss about those peoples who are not able to pick up the things immediately or properly. It means they are not able to remember the things, because that type of the people, those who are suffering from this type of the cognitive disabilities, called dyslexia. Dyslexia peoples which are the not able to learn or able to remember any things or any type of the information recently, that which has given to them, they are not able to learn or to catch properly. So this type of the quality, this type of the disquality has just created regarding this type of the disabled persons or individuals. Today we will talk about the intellectual disability. Intellectual disability means this type of the peoples, those who are having a disease or the disability of dyslexia, they are not having a quality or good quality, we can say, learning, the communication problem, remembering problem, making judgment, and the problem solving. It means that type of the peoples or that type of the individuals, those who are suffering from the cognitive disabilities, they are not able to learn or pick up things very fastly as a common people. They are not able to communicate, or they are not able to express their self in front of the others as a common people. They are not able to remember the things as a common people, and they are not making decision as per the situation at randomly, or they are having a not solving the problems, or not solving the solution of the problems immediately. So these are the disqualities, those who are having a cognitive disability, and they are also having some the learning problems also, just like the reading, writing, etc. Question arise: what are the causes of these type of the cognitive or learning disabilities? So there are maybe the genetic problems. Through the genetic problem, the problems has created in the individual. The problem during the pregnancy, the mother has not taken proper diet, proper rest, or proper mental satisfaction, proper mental rest. Due to that, the problem has come of the disability in the individual. Or next one is the problem during childbirth. When the birth of the child, on that time, this type of the disability can be created in the child. So this is the brief detail or description regarding the intellectual disabilities, or we can say the cognitive disability or learning disabilities, which are the part of the sensory impairment. Thank you.